Which hold on. So what you're gonna do is put this over here, and then just like that. So what you do is just put the one when I start as clone. It's already. So what you do is put when flag is click, put hide, then go to X Y, then put switch costume to wait, before that you have to create another costume just like that as a replica, and put a square here just to on the second one just to total difference, and then no man, don't put the square. Then you put the hide, and go to XY00, and then put switch costume to level 1.1. So he's gonna name the first one level 1.1 and the second one level 1.2, and then you're gonna do create a clone of myself. So the first level creates the second level, and it doesn't. So it can create a clone. Then it does next costume. Then you do change X by 480. Then you create a clone of myself. Then you do go to 0 and 0. And then to make it scrolling forever, you have to do when I start as a clone. You have to show this part, and you have to do change X by -10. But you can do the variable control speed. Make the variable control speed. I'll show you what that does later, and then you put it here, and then you do the forever block. Then if X position, then -480. Then you put change X by 960. And you do next. For this part, you just add the costumes that you want in order. Then for however many costumes you do, you have to put that much. Then you put the next costumes. Then to finish the player, you have to do when flag is clicked, go to X -114 and minus 46, so we can keep on going. And then once you create the value, you just the scroll speed, you just put it here set, scroll speed to -10. So for the whole thing it will be -10. So here you can put negative. It's the scroll speed because it's the same thing. And then you do wait until touching, and you put this color because you want it to be the same color as the spikes. Like you can create the spikes by just making a black square, and then using the shaping tool. And clicking on a corner and deleting it. You can, and then rotating your shift, you can you can just make a triangle for the spikes, and then you have to make the border a certain color, just like a pale yellow for what's it called, like this, 16, 12, 100. So we can set as a trigger color for a deadly spike. And then here we do wait until touching color, which is the same color as the spike. So like use the color picker and just put the spike in, and then what you do is do stop other scripts in spike. So when the player actually hold up. When the player actually what's it called, spike, it doesn't just delete everything. It doesn't delete everything. It just deletes the song. But this one stop the scrolling. So what you would do is, and then what you do is for a sound effect, for when the player actually hits a spike, you could just put bonk, and then you do repeat 10 block, then you put change scroll speed by 1, so this reduces to a stop. The player stops, reduces to a stop, and then you do change X by scroll speed, or negative, or just 10, and then that's how you do it. You create a game, the Geometry Dash game. So if this was helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.